8 amazing cow facts you won't believe. Cows have best friends and get stressed when they're separated. They can remember faces, both human and animal, for years. Cows can sense the Earth's magnetic field and often align their bodies north-south when grazing. They have almost 360-degree vision, so they can see predators coming from nearly any direction. A cow's stomach has 4 compartments to digest tough plants. They can smell things from over 6 miles, 10 kilometers away. Cows are great swimmers and can cross rivers with ease. They produce different moo sounds to express emotions and communicate with their herd.
Don't forget to like and comment for the continuation of our videos and to support us and to follow our page to support us.